So this is my '08 Mustang. It is this V6. It's the 4.0, and I had an oil leak, as you could tell, and it was my pressure switch that I have changed already. Now, some of you are probably asking, like, how'd you know? Well, I basically took some engine degreaser and I sprayed it all this area. As you could tell, even where that boot's at, it's oily. So I do have an oil leak, and I'm cleaning that too right now. Anyways, I use 9/16, and facing the car, so my car is this way, facing the car, when you're taking it off, you put the wrench in and you go up to loosen it, and to go down you're tightening it. Up, loosen, down, tighten. Okay, up, loosen, down, tighten. So anyways, this is what it looks like after. So these parts are like normal wear and tear, they give out eventually. It's a power pressure switch. I just changed mine out. I bought it off 1A Auto out of O'Reilly's and AutoZone. This part's about $100. 1A Auto, it's 32 bucks. So with shipping and handling and after tax. So I just wanted to make this quick video. I am cleaning out this, as you can tell how oily it is. Right now I'm gonna spray it down with some, I bought this at Walmart. I think it was like $4 or $5. It's an electrical cleaner. Let it spray it, dry it out. I think you can see me spray it real quick. Ooh, as you can tell, all that gunk is coming out. And as you can tell, now because this wire is next to extreme heat, I recommend either buying electrical tape and wrapping it, or these protector sleeves, these right here, this, and they're pretty cheap if you buy a whole set. So actually, you know what, let me loosen the bolt so you guys could see what I mean. So this is the car facing one way. I know when you see videos you're like, oh, which way does it turn? So I am facing the vehicle. It's right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go up, and it's gonna break loose. It's gonna break loose. Just getting a good angle. I'm going up there. I broke loose. So go right. It's twisting off. Get a better take at it. There you go. It's going off, and then downwards, turning it clockwise, is to tighten. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. Tighten it down one more time. Remember, tighten goes down. There. Now, I'm not even sure how much pressure I'm supposed to put on it. I'm just putting it snug. So I hope this video helps you. This is for an '08 Mustang. I think from '05 to '09 you should be able to do the same with no problem. So like I said, what I first did to identify this leak, I got this engine degreaser, sprayed it around the area, found the leak, which this is the old part right here. And then I went ahead online, 1A Auto. I'll leave the description at the bottom. I am not sponsored by them. I bought this part super cheap. So hopefully this video helps you guys. Thank you.